So next one is while loop in Python. So let's see the general syntax of while loop in Python. Okay. So we'll be generally writing an initial value for the loop variable above the while condition. Okay. And using while keyword, we can write this condition here. Okay. If this condition is evaluated to true, then the block of statements will be executed inside this while loop. Okay. Suppose if this condition is false, then block of statements will not be executed. Control is directly transferred outside this while loop. Okay. Just like this. So consider this example. Initial value of I is equal to 3. And now look at this conditional expression I is greater than 0. So in the first iteration you can see 3 is greater than 0, condition will become true, associated value of I will be displayed, that is 3 will be displayed here, and then I is equal to I minus 1, which means I is equal to 3 minus 1, value will become 2. In the next iteration, value of I becomes 2, 2 is greater than 0, condition becomes true, and it will print value of I as 2. And then I is equal to I minus 1. I is equal to 2 minus 1, value will be 1. In the next iteration, 1 is greater than 0. Condition becomes true. Now value of I will be displayed, which is 1. And then I is equal to I minus 1. I value will become 1 minus 1 equal to 0. In the next iteration, I greater than 0. 0 greater than 0, condition will become false. So that is why block of statements will not be executed when I value becomes 0, and finally this is the output obtained. Okay. Next, making use of break statement inside the loops, like for loop. You can see here we are considering break statement. What is meant by break statement? Whenever you want to move the control out of the loop, okay, whenever you want to jump the control out of the loop, in that case you can make use of this break statement concept. So let us consider vowels is equal to, initially vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now consider for loop, for char in this particular string. Okay. So if the character, in the first iteration it is going to pick this character, in the next iteration next character, like this. If each of this character is in vowels, in that case it is going to print first vowel is char. You can see J is not a vowel, right? But A is a vowel. So this condition will be true for A. A in vowels, immediately it will display first vowel is A, and then break statement. So break statement is used to move the control out of this for loop. So after for loop there are no statements, that's why it is going to display output only one line, which is first vowel is A.